4, 3,
2.
Is there another thing up here too?
That water tree, up. Can you get in that house? Yeah, we got that house. You wanna go?
They're all on the tape line, tape line.
Tape line?
Yeah.
Can't see through the glare.
Yeah.
Why do we go this way? Justin, why do we go this way? I can't
Right, we're fighting the sun over here. Yeah, we're fighting the sun over here.
Coming in the woods.
Can we get around this thing at all or no? No. Looks like we're blocked off.
I'm clear all the way here, Al. Al! We're clear all the way up. I just left this whole squad over here.
Okay, that's a slapstick right there. So there's probably one
I
up
don't
here,
think we can pass it.
and there's probably one back down on the road.
Oh, okay.
So there's one right there. I assume that one is we have control of it because it's been pushed that way.
Yeah, because it's showing red.
Okay. And they're all way back in here. It's looking like.
Yeah, they're not even pushing out. No, they probably moved. They're probably on the other one more than anything. Hey, we can't cross the slapstick.
Yeah, we can't pass the slapstick. This is our maximum. Woo, shit! Oh, we're back in this position again, huh?
Yep. Oh, that one got me. I'm back.
All right. Oh, I got through 3 fucking max. Great. What is that? Every ball broke, dude. This is ridiculous. This paint is awful.
Yeah.
What the f? What the f? What the f is that, dude? I'm f this game. Oh. Hey, ref. Here. No, there's a bounce.
Oh, got that guy. Oh. Sorry. Maybe that was a ref I got then.
Is that a bad guy? That's the ref? Alright. Yes, in front of that white tree. Alright. Got my contact, laser tag. Yeah. Feel like he's just waving. What?
I got that guy. Oh, I know I got him. He fucking wins.
I'm already down to 2 mags, dude.
Yeah, I don't have many either. That's what I got 3.
Last mag. I'm breaking every ball with this bad paint day shit. Look at this. What the fuck? I'm out.
I got one here. Oh, I got hit.